Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, well, part 2 of 3 of this commission is dry, as you can see. So let me just kind of get it in the light there and show you guys how it's looking. It dried so perfectly. It takes longer to dry because it's so big, but look at that. Super happy, and the gray did get darker, so that's really good. And there it is. That is part 2. So there's the black, there's the gray, and today we're doing white. So once they're all done, I will try my best to put them up against a wall somewhere so you guys can see all 3 of them together. Not sure I have enough wall space for all 3. But I'll do my best. All right, so let me just make sure my canvas is clean. Now, before I forget, there is, 30 days left or something like that until PourCon in Las Vegas. So if you are interested in coming to see me and 21 other YouTube artists in Las Vegas, that is happening August 6th through 9th. All right, and you can come check out the information in the description below. There's a link. It's www.pourcon.com, and you can find all the information. I'm so excited. I'm going to be teaching how to resin top coat your pieces. That is what I'm teaching, and there's going to be lunch and learns and lunches and parties and all kinds of fun stuff. So information in the description below. All right, I'm going to get started on this one. So as usual, this is part 3 of 3. It's going to be the white base, the final piece for my client's commission. It is a 24 by 30 inch canvas. I've got my colors here. So of course, my base is titanium white by Amsterdam. All right, and my colors are here. And if you want to know how I mix my colors, I use water and Floetrol to mix my colors. And if you want to know the ratios and how I mix them for different paint brands, you can check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that link, check out the video, full video tutorial. All right, so we've got Blue, Black, Indigo by Atelier. Then we have Pearl Electric Blue by Arteza, followed by Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Then we have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, followed by Winsor Blue by Winsor and Newton. Then we have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then Phthalo Turquoise by TriArt. A lot of people have been asking me, where do you get TriArt paint? You can get it from the Fluid Art Co. website, all right? So, and last but not least, Indigo by Amsterdam, the Expert Series. Where's my hair dryer? She's down here. So, TriArt can be purchased from the Fluid Art Co. website. Again, that link is in the description below, okay? And you can buy it from there. All right, I'm plugged in. I'm ready. I'm going to put my paints back like so. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Canvas is flooded, bubbles have been popped, and let's get to it. So I'm gonna try and do the same composition like I always did for the other 2. Okay, kind of like that. And then I came down here and then here. And then let's go this way and this way, kind of like that. Again, doesn't have to be the exact same thing, doesn't have to be perfect. I just shook all of these and now they're all oozing out on me as I open the lid. All right, well, this video I'm doing super duper quick, which was why there was not a real big intro. I took the kids and we went down to visit my parents in Toronto, which is like 2.5, 3 hours away. And we just got back. We literally just got back like an hour ago. And I was like, oh shoot, it's Tuesday. I don't have a video for YouTube. So here I am doing this quick video for you guys. Like it's what? It's 12:45. You guys are watching this and I'm probably releasing it at about 2:30 or 3 o'clock. But I realized, I was like, oh no, I don't have a video. So, oh, I just dropped paint on the floor. What is it with my paint squirting out of my bottles? I've got paint on the floor. I better not step on it. Anywho, so yeah, I'm doing this super quick because I need to still upload it, edit it some more, get it on YouTube for your viewing pleasure. All right. It has been so hot these last few days, insanely hot. The dogs are still shedding like crazy. So if you saw those videos of me brushing the dogs, guess what? I gotta brush them yet again. So they're gonna get another brushing as well. Let me see, what else to talk about? I don't really have much to say today, shocker. My gosh, these bottles are just, I literally just shook them all, that's why. Right before I started this video, started recording this video. That's probably why they're all squirting out at me. Okay, 2 more colors to go. And in my studio right now, it is so hot, you guys. And I kind of do it on purpose. Like, I mean, I've closed all the vents so that the AC doesn't come down here, believe it or not. Because the warmer it is in here, the faster my painting dries. So it's probably, ooh, I don't know, 76 in here right now. But again, only because I want the paintings to dry quicker. If I have the AC on it in here and it's cold, they're not going to dry as quick. Keep that in mind. All right, all the colors are down. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, last one. All right, let me get my hair dryer all situated here. And let's get going. I think that's it. I think I've done a good 3 for 3 in here. I'm loving it. Wow. Man, I'm loving this turquoise, phthalo turquoise from TriArt. I'm telling you guys. Oh, I can just sit here and stare at this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put all 3 of these together and then get them resin too. That's gonna be a doozy. I'm so excited. I'm just kind of staring away. I think this is my favorite part right here. This part right here. It's kind of like whoosh, like that. Okay, I'm looking, and there's nothing I want to fix or touch aside from fixing my edges. So I'm going to fix my edges and I will be right back and show you guys a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So don't forget, take your stick and you want to scrape those drips all the way around all 4 sides. Come back to your painting 10 minutes later because there will be new drips, and then scrape them again and then a 3rd time, and then you should be good to go. All right, so look at this. I'm loving this. I don't know, man. I'm just something about the blue on the white just really, really pops. I really like the gray too, but then on the black, the colors really pop as well. I can't even myself pick which one I like best. But here it is on white. Let's check it out with the flash on. Alrighty, so let's see. Just like the other 2, it's gonna be the same thing, of course. Lots of shimmer because of the Pebeo silver iridescent, the green blue, and the Arteza. Lots of shimmer. Let's see, let's come down here actually. Let's see what's going on. It's so pretty. I haven't said that in a while, but it is, it's so pretty. Look at that phthalo turquoise by TriArt. Anywho, you get the idea. There's gonna be shimmer in this for sure. And there you have it, my friends. The final piece of the 3-piece commission. I'd love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. But then I also want to know, which one do you like the best? I don't know. For me, I can't choose. Every piece has a reason to why I like it so much. But yeah, I'd love to know which one you guys think. White, gray, or black? Let me know in the comments below. And that is it, guys. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying your summer so far and staying out of the heat. And that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.